Imagine flying in your very own private Airbus ACJ220. Comfort, luxury, and exclusivity combined into one gorgeous airplane. The true question, though, is how much it actually costs to buy a work of art like this. The hidden costs associated with maintaining an aircraft of this quality are just as important as the price tag. We'll go into great detail in this video about the real cost of owning an Airbus ACJ220, from the startling purchase price to the recurring costs that would astound even the wealthiest jet setters. See if owning one of the most opulent jets in the world is as beautiful as it seems, or if it's a financial burden you might want to avoid, by reading through to the end. Let's begin. Cabin. When we talk about the ACJ220 cabin, we're not just talking about the space, we're talking about a beautifully crafted atmosphere that redefines luxury travel. This flying marvel has remarkable dimensions, measuring 66 feet and 6 inches in length. The HUD is 7 feet and 8 inches wide by 6 feet and 3 inches tall. To put it in perspective, this is larger than many New York City residences. You're not simply flying, you're in a mobile luxury suite that offers more living space than most first-class cabins. Airbus recognizes that millionaires do not seek cookie-cutter experiences. Each ACJ220 can be totally tailored to suit even the most exacting tastes. Do you want real Italian leather seats? Consider it done. Do you prefer a workstation that rivals your office? It's been handled. Are you looking for a bedroom with a full-size bed? Definitely possible. The typical setups demonstrate luxury and functionality. Consider an executive space that can seat 12 to 16 people and smoothly transitions from meeting rooms to rest areas. The attention to detail is incredible. We're talking about full-size bathrooms that rival 5-star hotel suites, gourmet galley kitchens fit for a Michelin star chef, and amenities that redefine what it means to travel comfortably. However, comfort is about more than just room. It's all about the experience. The ACJ220 is outfitted with noise-canceling technology, which makes the cabin almost silent. Advanced air filtration systems ensure that you are breathing the purest air possible. Customizable mood lighting offers the ideal atmosphere, while high-speed satellite internet keeps you linked to the world below. The cutting-edge entertainment systems ensure that you'll never be bored, no matter how lengthy the flight. If you thought owning a private plane is all about the sticker price, wait until you read the shocking breakdown of how much it truly costs to purchase this premium Airbus. More on this later in the video. Airplane. The Airbus ACJ220's cockpit is a technological masterpiece that turns everyday flying into a high-tech digital experience. Forget everything you know about how to fly an airplane. This is like flight control mixed with science fiction. Fly-by-wire technology turns pilots into aerospace engineers because it processes all of their input through high-tech computers that can read their intentions down to the smallest detail. Instead of traditional gauges, high-resolution, multifunction displays show so much data that it would make NASA engineers green with envy. These aren't just screens, they're supercomputers that give real-time information on everything from exact height to complicated weather forecasts. In the background, artificial intelligence is always working to find the best flight paths, predict problems with the weather, and make sure that every mile traveled is as efficient as possible. Especially mind-blowing are the systems that improve vision. Pilots can see through clouds, darkness, and bad weather by using a combination of infrared cameras and high-tech radar. Terrain awareness systems make three-dimensional models of landscapes and have automatic warning systems that can spot possible dangers faster than people can. Safety is very important. Several separate computer systems check each other, creating layers of redundancy that make it almost impossible for a system to fail. If one machine has a problem, another one takes over without any problems. There won't be a single drop in performance.